DocuXplorer's Microsoft Office integration allows you to save your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook files directly into DocuXplorer and tag them with the appropriate indexing information. Here's how to do it with Microsoft Word. Click the DocuXplorer tab in the toolbar. You can select Save in DX or Find in DX. In this example, I'm going to save the document. Navigate to the appropriate cabinet, drawer, and folder, and click OK. Next, you'll enter the necessary indexing information and click Save and Close. Your document now lives in DocuXplorer. You can access it by navigating through the library tree, performing a search, or by clicking Find in DX right in Microsoft Word.